Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
DDLJ
Happy Diwali!
Diwali.
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Okay, we both are singing something different.
Oh, so nice and poised, huh?
Yeah. The posh aunties.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, I'm just getting that feeling of.
Yeah. Today we're your posh aunties.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We bring variety to this show, and that's why you're watching this show. So thank you. Thank you
And
so much.
welcome.
Thank you so much for 100 subscribers.
No, it's 110.
Oh, yes. Don't you dare unsubscribe right now.
Unsubscribe.
Yes, thanks a lot. It means a lot. It made our Diwali,
Mhm.
and we hope to make your Diwali with this podcast as well.
Yeah. So happy Diwali, all. How is it going, man? I miss home.
I miss home too, and that's why we thought it'd be nice to like sort of sit down, put all our diyas and lights outside, dress up, and celebrate our little own Diwali
Yay.
at. We are just
Oh, we are just saying. I'm like
We-
at home.
at home.
I'm Pallavi,
I'm Ayati.
and
Welcome to
we are just saying. Do you know why we celebrate Diwali?
If you've never celebrated Diwali, Diwali is the festival of lights, celebration of good over evil.
Diwali is the time when Bhagwan Ram came
Yeah,
back from
yeah.
his Banwas.
Yes.
Because he came back in that celebration.
Yes.
We celebrate Diwali.
Yes.
Yes. Yay! Okay.
Ooh. I mean, that is the mythological meaning, but
Yeah.
for us, it's like so much more about community and culture and getting
Yeah.
people together and spending time with your family.
Yeah.
It's like your favorite Diwali tradition.
My favorite Diwali tradition is everyone has off.
Oh.
Your mummy, papa, your bhaiya, your cousins, your far cousins, everyone comes together. You all sit, and I actually like the prayer part where we do the.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You don't do that?
I mean, I didn't know that was your favorite.
Oh,
part.
yeah, because I dance actually when we, not dance, but
Yeah.
like I really enjoy the prayers that we do. So,
Yeah.
yeah, when everybody's together and we are singing and everything. And I also love the clicking pictures part. Like, oh my God,
Yeah.
let's talk about that.
Don't you realize, like, every year, I think a lot of people's display picture change around Diwali. Like, they won't change it throughout the year, but on Diwali, everyone has really nice, fresh clicks for their display pictures. Every girl has a sari photo, for sure.
Yeah, right?
Against, like, with a diya or with the lights in the background.
Yeah, like proper those cliche poses
Cliche.
like this Diwali
Yeah.
and all. Oh, I also have that.
From ours to yours.
Oh, I was so done. I hate when couples do that, okay?
I'm one of those. So. Guilty.
What is your favorite part?
The week before Diwali is my favorite part. Yeah, when you start making things, like everyone gathers around the house and I mean, I know people don't like the cleaning part, but there is fun in like gathering together as a family and cleaning your house and making lots of food together and just that excitement in the air. Even on the TV, you get like the Cadbury Diwali ad, and it just makes you feel like it's a special time of
yeah.
the year. And I just love that week, really.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never
Almost made
thought
me
about it.
teared up. Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah. Yeah, that is really beautiful. Like you go on the streets and you see shops, bhaiya and all
Yeah.
people will be, oh, crackers, look, patake.
Yeah.
Since I've already started
Yeah.
playing pataka and all.
Did you blow a lot of crackers?
No, actually, I didn't. I don't support that.
Really? I thought
Yeah.
you would for some reason. Not support, like I thought you would as a kid
No.
blow a lot of crackers. or
No,
something.
I don't think anybody in my family does it. Like, so my father bhaiya,
Yeah.
he is like very no, pataka
Yeah.
and all. So we have never done anything like that. But yeah,
Yeah.
I see kids doing it.
Yeah.
I've done that chakli thingy. the
Chakli
one
and
that
full
goes-
jadi.
Yeah,
That's
that
as much
that's
as I
good.
can do.
I hate when people do that. Whoa, I don't know, go the rocket one.
Yeah.
Hey, bhai, किसी का server पे गिर जाएगा. Why are you doing that?
I mean, I always say I'm against crackers, but the reality is I'm actually scared of crackers as well. Like when I was a kid, I was so scared. Like I used to just cry all the time, and I used to only stay indoors with like cotton in my ears because I used to be so scared of crackers. I still am a bit, actually, not gonna lie.
There are some crackers which really make like big ass noise, bro.
Yeah, you know, like there are different traditions that India celebrates on Diwali, and you might not know about them because you probably don't belong to that culture. Do you know any of those kind of culture? Like, I know you're from northern part of India. Is there something that you do specifically in northern India to celebrate Diwali?
If you talk about UP, like a day before, we have people becoming like Ram and Lakshman and Sita, and then they go around in the village at every
Oh,
house, and there'll be like loads and loads of kids running behind them, and then they will have all those dhol and stuff. After that, we will have the fair, the Mela,
hmm,
in one of the biggest places in
hmm,
the Gao, wherever you have
yeah,
the open space. So if you go in any village in UP, I guess
yeah.
you will do all of this, and Shamko, you will go to Mela. That is actually the, yeah, man, that is
That's a
the
pure
best
feeling,
part. That
na?
is the best part.
Yeah.
You go and then you get so many different things to it. You get all of those like crackers, you get all of those Diwali
Toys
stuff,
and stuff as well,
toys
na?
and stuff. Yeah, so many
Yeah.
different things. Like tikli and all you get. It's fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the Kangan,
Yeah,
Chudi
yeah,
and all
yeah,
of
yeah,
that.
all of
Yeah,
that.
I've been to
And so
those.
many different foods.
Yeah, it's like very
Hole
like
ma.
kiddish joy, no? Like sitting on that what is that thing called?
Oh,
Ferris wheel.
nahi re, jhula.
हाँ,
That is
झूला.
jhula, guys.
English में Ferris wheel ना. Even in like Maharashtra and Goa, there are certain traditions that people have during Diwali that are not like that common. In Maharashtra, like my parents tell me, like when they were kids, they used to actually build like mud castles outside their
My
house.
dad has also told
Yeah,
me.
so matti, like, like literally
Hmm.
mud you take and you make castles, and it's like a celebration of like craftsmanship and architecture, and like it's a fun activity for kids to do as
Hmm.
well. So that, and in Goa, actually, we celebrate this thing called Narak Chaturdashi. Narkasur is a Rakshas, and Krishna fights him and like good over evil again. In Goa, they will like make these really big figurines of Narkasur,
Hmm.
and like in the Sera, how you burn the Ravan ka this
Hmm.
thing, they will do Narkasur ka. They will like
That
put
is
crackers in
nice.
that and everything. So now they've started like this competition of like making like the best Narkasur, So it's like
Nice.
such tall Narkasurs and all, and like
Hmm.
I guess it's like getting the village together so that they can have like that craft activity of making like the best Narkasur. Another one of my favorite traditions, actually, I think this is also a very Maharashtrian Marathi kind of tradition, is when you wake up in the morning, you have to take a bath with utna. Utna is like a powder of sandalwood, and you mix it with milk or malai, actually, and
Oh,
you
nice.
apply
I've
to
never
your
heard of it.
body, and you take a nice shower, and it smells so
Oh, this
divine.
reminds me of, you have that, right? So
Yeah,
in us,
yeah,
we have one night before. We don't take bath with that, but then just as a massage, what you do is like the mustard seeds
yeah.
that will be like crushed, and
Oh,
oil will be, mustard oil will be in that. Turmeric,
yeah,
that is like a proper mask. You
yeah,
rub you from your
yeah.
entire body. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh,
Yes, we do
nice.
that.
So cool. It's self care. Like back in the day, like
Yeah,
it's a spa treatment at home, right?
yeah.
Like your face mask and stuff.
Hmm. Today I
Hmm.
was talking to my mummy and then she's like, बेटा अपने पापा को बोलना मेरे को 2,000 रुपए दे, मेरे को दिवाली का ये करना है, मेरे को दिवाली का वो करना है, मेरे को तो घर भी क्लीन करना है, कोई मेरी मदद ही नहीं करता. And then I'm
Yeah.
like, oh,
Yeah.
I
I
want to
wish
help.
family could be together and we could do those activities. Even the most menial tasks, going to the market and buying besan and ghee with your mom so that you can come home and make besan laddu. It's just those things. It just like
Hmm.
tells you that you need to like spend time with your family and stuff.
Yeah, I was anyway missing my mom so much today. On top of it, we are making Diwali episode. I think I'm gonna cry tonight.
Yeah, but that's one of the things that no one tells you is like, even though you start living abroad, get used to the life here. That period from August to December is really difficult because there's so many festivals back to back. There's like from Ganesh
Ganesh
Chaturthi to
Chaturthi.
Navratri to
Oh man,
Onam, and then the big Diwali thing. And like that whole period, like even if you're settled here, you
you
just
still
start
miss home, bro. Yeah.
feeling so homesick. It just hits really hard at this time of the year.
International students, like in
Hmm.
people who are not yet settled or
Yeah.
working part time, that's really hard for them.
Yeah.
When I was working part time, right,
Yeah.
I was working on Diwali.
Oh, that
I was
sucks.
working on Diwali evening, and Ayati, I can't tell you,
Yeah.
when something bad happens, it just keeps happening. The
Yeah.
bad thing
Yeah.
keeps
It's
happening,
compounding.
and I was working on that day, and it was evening that I was working. We
Hmm.
celebrate Diwali in evening, right?
Hmm.
All the diyas and everything. Couldn't do that. I was coming home from work, and my phone fell. It broke.
Oh.
I was literally crying while I was making
Hmm.
the when I
Yeah.
was working, and
Yeah.
I'm like, what life I'm living? Like, I want to go
Yeah.
back. Like
Yeah.
that day, it's like my saturation level was at this point, and it sucks so bad.
Yeah.
And then you see everyone's stories.
Hmm.
They have put they're celebrating Diwali, all your friends back home celebrating, or people here who are settled, they would also have an
Yeah.
off.
It's
Right.
heavy. It feels very difficult. I've come here actually, I've made sure I take the day off on Diwali. Or at least like I'll celebrate it on the weekend or do something. Because I
Yeah.
feel like that's one thing that grounds me in India, like abroad. Because otherwise you're just like so caught up in your life, start to like fit in, but you also like forget a bit of your roots. And like on festivals like Diwali and all, it's nice to just like go back to basics and
Hmm.
celebrate like the things that make you feel like yourself a lot more.
True.
I made sure I wanted to like celebrate Diwali the way I've always celebrated with my family. So I was like, why not throw a party? So we're gonna have a
We have a
Diwali
Diwali
party.
party tomorrow, y'all.
Yeah. And I'm like barely prepared for it, but it's gonna be fine. It's all about just getting your friends together, having a nice time, so it'll be okay.
But like, you're a big foodie, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Just like, yeah.
There's one thing I'm sure of is that in my life. I'm a
I'm
big
a big
foodie.
foodie.
Yeah.
Mithai do you like?
On Diwali.
Yeah. What is the best mithai that you would say people should have it on Diwali?
Okay. So here's what I usually have on Diwali.
Oh, she started
Yeah.
now.
Get your notebooks out.
Right now.
Um, the best part about Diwali is Diwali breakfast, I would say, which is
Breakfast. Aren't you busy cleaning and like getting things?
no, that's done already. The Diwali first day you wake up in the morning, the breakfast is usually farar, which is like Shankar Pari. You know what Shankar Pari is?
No, I think I would know how it looks, but I don't
It's
know the
like the
name.
diamond thing, like a pastry, sweet.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Shankar
I know.
Chakli, Ladu,
Ah.
Besan Ladu, Rava Ladu, whichever Ladu. And my personal favorite is actually Mawa Karanji, which is like Gujia.
I was that
She
was
stole-
mine. That was mine. She just stole it. Gujia.
yeah,
Gujia is love, bro.
yeah. But another thing, like Goans eat on Diwali is you take poha. Like,
Oh, I love poha.
no, you're not gonna like this
Don't
direction.
tell me you're gonna make it sweet.
Yes.
Goa
So,
people, we are not friends anymore.
so you take poha and no, you eat it with like jaggery and coconut. It's very nice. It's like red poha. It's a different poha, but it is really good.
Okay, sure, I
Goan people,
guess.
please back me up. What's your favorite Diwali food?
I mean, a lot of sweets. What my mummy makes is like she makes proper puri and
Hmm.
bhaji and um that what do you call the kheer and all of that.
Ooh,
That is going to
which
be there.
kheer?
The rice wala kheer.
I love rice kheer.
Yeah. Okay. She loves food, so she's gonna
Do
love
you
it.
like the malai in the rice kheer?
Actually, I do. Do you not?
I love that.
Okay, thank God.
I'm not a big
No.
fan of raisins though.
I think I'm okay with it. But when it comes to sweets, oh my God, Gujia, like I
Yes, I
mentioned.
love gujia.
But I don't know if people are gonna agree on this. I love Son Papdi.
You're gonna be surprised, but I'm in your team on this
Thank you
one.
so much.
I think Son Papdi gets way too much hate. It does not deserve that much hate.
Bro, how can somebody hate Son Papdi? Like, how can someone not? Because every time when we are sitting in like group of people, I would see people passing Son Papdi. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm like, you are eating it and then passing, and you're like, क्या मेरे को सोन पापड़ी ने गुलाब जामुन इधर दो. अरे,
Huh.
what do you mean? You just had my सोन पापड़ी,
Yeah.
then don't eat it.
Yeah.
खाओ मत भैया तो.
People are just casually dating Son Papdi, you know? Like they're not taking it seriously as a committed.
Time pass है.
Yeah, it's a time pass. If you
Go
haven't
watch
watched
the
that
episode.
we're always plugging our episode shamelessly. But I think like Son Papdi is first of all made so delicately. It's such a nice, unique sweet, you know.
Hmm.
And then you're right about that. People actually take the whole dabba, eat nice full portions using a
हाँ
spoon and
मुझे
pass
फिर
it
ऐसे है
around.
क्या गुलाब जामुन सोन पापड़ी क्या कौन
Nice. You guys should stop hating on Son Papdi.
yeah please stop it man
Yeah.
stop it man please
Yeah. I feel like every family has their own little thing for Diwali. Like some families like to get together and play cards in the night. Some
hmm.
families like to go out on a movie, and that's why you get so many
Yeah.
Bollywood movies releasing during Diwali.
This reminds me, me and my family, we go on a drive to Marine Drive.
Ah, that's a good one. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
like after everything is done and all, we'll go
Yeah.
have chai also from outside,
Oh,
and then we'll go on that Muhammad Ali Road and all
yeah.
of that. So yeah,
Yeah, it's
we'll
such a
go there.
Mumbai thing to do.
Yeah,
It just feels extra special.
yeah, bro.
Whatever you do, even if you're having a nap, it's a Diwali nap.
It's like I feel like we all appreciate all of this so much because we have lived far from home and like we have
Yeah.
experienced how it feels to not be there and that
Yeah.
void and everything,
Yeah.
So we have seen how it feels.
On the other side.
Yeah, but yeah. Sorry. I get very emotional. I'm like, "Ah, घर जाना है मेरे को, mama." That was about
Mama.
food.
Yeah.
Do you have anything that you don't like on the
Like about Diwali is sometimes I have to meet too many people, external family friends and
देख रहे हो सब लोग तेरा podcast देखते हैं
friends ke family friends and family friends ke friends. You know what I mean? But just unending, and sometimes you can't even like rest peacefully. It's just too much sometimes. And I actually feel bad for my mom during Diwali because she has to keep
Oh yeah,
entertaining
entertaining so
everyone.
many people.
I feel bad for all the ladies during Diwali because they have to keep like the house clean and cook, and yeah, that just sucks for moms and aunts. I think
True.
that's, yeah. As a kid, I've enjoyed the privileges of not doing much during Diwali. So, what do you think? What sucks for you during Diwali?
Doesn't suck, but then one thing that I don't like is the crackers. Like in
Yeah.
the morning, like you'll be sleeping, and these dumb kids, you're sleeping in your room, पीछे से bomb blast हो रहा है. And then you'll be like, what happened? What happened? Oh, it's Diwali. Okay.
Yeah.
You're awake till late. You're
Hmm.
doing things. You're probably cleaning the house or you're meeting people. And morning पे 6 बजे बच्चे पटाखे उड़ाने शुरू कर रहे हैं. Like, yeah, that one thing that I don't like. And the
Yeah.
traffic.
Oh, the
If
traffic.
you go out,
No, you
whoa,
shouldn't
whoa,
travel
whoa.
only on
You should
Diwali.
not travel evening पे.
No
Evening because
way.
everyone's visiting सबका
Yeah.
family, na?
I've been stuck on the highway because of the
Yeah,
Diwali
bro.
traffic once, and it was
Crazy.
terrible. About the crackers, like the worst part is because people will sometimes greedily buy too many crackers and they won't finish them during Diwali. So the week after Diwali is for leftover
I
crackers,
hate that, okay?
which is like for no reason, you're just making so much noise.
And so much pollution.
Favorite memories about Diwali is shopping for clothes before Diwali with your family. It is so fun. Like everyone goes together, Indian kapdo ka dukan,
That's
trial
enough.
room, and like your aunt, your cousin, sister, and everyone will have an opinion about the dress and everything. And in the end, you're just like so happy because you have the most beautiful clothes, the most beautiful jewelry, and then you go home and then you try it on and then you show it to your other family members who've not seen then
Yeah, it's
what
fun.
you
Yeah, that
do
is
a
fun.
mini ramp walk for them.
Yeah,
Uh,
bro. Mini ramp walk. I can. Yeah. I got that lehenga
हाँ,
and like proper jewelry and all
yeah,
and nice heels.
yeah,
I was like, मैं ही दिवाली में ऐसा लग रहा है सज के जा रही हूँ. I'm the pari of Diwali.
yeah.
I don't know. And wearing nice heels and full doing ramp walk and all showing it to Papa like, हाँ Papa, how am I looking? And he's like, हाँ ठीक है अब उतार दे पैर मत तुड़वा लेना.
Good.
Tomorrow Diwali. Very nice, nice looking dear. I mean, Diwali is special. Everything about Diwali is special from
Yeah,
cleaning the house to having your sweets and to celebrating it with your family.
yeah.
But yeah, I guess this is all about Diwali then.
Yes. You guys can also tell us what your favorite memories
Yeah.
are when it comes to Diwali. We would
And do you like
love
Son
to know.
Papdi?
Yes.
Please.
Every region has their own
Yeah.
sweet as well, and
Yeah.
we would love, love, love to know what they are
Yeah.
so that I can eat them.
So she can make and eat them. Yeah, true. Happy Diwali to everyone.
Happy Diwali
to you and your family from us to yours.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay,
Diwali gift.
Diwali gift to us. We will also give you another Diwali gift next
Next
Sunday.
episode.
Yeah, next episode. That's all from us. Bye.
Bye. Shit, man. Oh. How do you guys do this podcast and all like this? Wearing sari and all the podcasters.
I think they sit on a sofa. That's why.
Oh. बैठी है तू फूल पे उठ.
I mean,
Oh,
we have a
somebody's
guest
home.
today. Happy Diwali.
Say hi in the oh, did you just ask him to? Hi.
Do we look proper?
Yeah, do we look good?
Diwali, happy Diwali.
We are very
This is going to make the cut, right?
yeah.
Happy, happy. Ding, 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 ding.